Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Patio Builder website. The website builder that we'll be using is Wix. The reason why I recommend Wix is because Wix is the best website builder for creating a business website. And it is also beginner friendly and you can get started for completely free. So you're going to go onto wix.com and from there, you're going to create an account using your email address. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Create New Site and you'll be redirected to a page just like this. And you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. Then on the search bar, I want you to type in Patio Builder and you can see different options. You have Patio Building Contractor, Patio Building Contracting Firm, and Patio Builder. We're going to be selecting Patio Builder for this example, then tap on Continue. After doing that, you'll be redirected to your website dashboard. On your dashboard, you can enter in your business name. So for example, I'm just going to type in Patio Builder. Then tap on Continue. And we're going to be offering services. If you'll also be selling products, you can tap on Sell Products. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Continue. Then from there, you can see the different recommended apps. So we'll be able to sell products. We'll also be able to collect bookings. If you would like to add a blog or anything else, for example, your Instagram feed, so you'll be able to display pictures and videos of previous jobs, or while you're on the job, you can do that. Then you'll tap on Continue and select Continue once more. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. And the first thing you will need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and hover over Catalog. And from there, you're going to tap on Booking Services. After selecting Booking Services, from here you can see some sample services that you can offer. So let's tap on the search box right here. And we're just going to type in Patio Builder. And you can see it right there. Then after doing that, you'll see some sample services generated. So let's say Patio Design Consultation. We could tap on that. And you could add this service. You can also change the name and the cover image, and you can set the duration, so you could change it from an hour to whatever, and you can add in the price that you would like to charge. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Save, so you can save it right there, and you can continue adding more services. So you could tap on Add a New Service in the top right hand corner, and you could add a different new service by tapping on Start from Scratch. So I'm going to be generating one more new service. So I'll type in Patio Builder once more. And let's say, for example, Patio Installation. After doing that, you could change the cover image or leave it as is. Then you'll scroll down, you could change the duration. And you can also change the cost right there. And if it is a case that you have more than one staff member, which more than likely you do, you can tap here and you could create staff members. And you can also add in or assign them to different tasks. Then you will tap on Save in the top right hand corner and you're going to go over to the left hand menu option once more, scroll down, tap on Settings, and you're going to tap right where you see Booking Settings. After doing that, you will tap on Staff, and this is where you'll be able to add your staff members. After adding the staff members, you can tap on Default Hours, and this is where you'll be able to set up the hours that your shop is open and closed. So let's say we'll be opening shop on Monday from 8:30 and we'll be closing shop at 4:30. You can set it right there and you can change the opening hours going right down. After doing that, you'll tap on Save. Once you have saved that, you can go back. You could tap on Business Info and from here you'll be able to add your logo, your business logo. You can also scroll down and add in your business address. After adding in that information, you'll save it and then you're going to go back and you're going to tap on Getting Paid from the top left hand corner. After selecting Getting Paid, I want you to pay attention to a few things. With Wix, you can also send out pay links. So this means you'll be able to request payment instantly using Wix. You can also send out invoices to customers and price quotations to potential customers or proposals. You can also use their POS feature. Now, depending on the country you're located in, you'll be able to offer different payment options. So for example, after tapping on connect payment method, from there, if I were to change my location to, for example, Canada, you'll realize that I can now offer a different set of payment option instead of just TiloPay and PayPal. And to see even more payment options, you can tap on see more payment options in the bottom left hand corner. From there, you can connect Square, Afterpay, Alipay, Bankful, Klarna, and so much more. After setting up the different payment options, you are going to tap on Set Up in the top left hand corner, then tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on Pick a Template. Once you have selected Pick a Template, on the search bar right here, I want you to type in Patio Builder real quick. Then you'll tap on Enter, and you can see different recommendations. Once you have found one to your liking, let's say for example this one, I'm just going to tap on Edit. Once on this page, you're going to close the pop-up, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. After doing that, what I want you to do next, we're going to simply tap on the category in the top left hand corner, and you're going to tap on Home. Once on the home page, you can start editing it. So for example's sake, if you would like to change the current image that is there or the text in the top header section, you can tap on Quick Edit. Then from there, we could change it from the handy gang. You could change it to, for example, I'll just type in Patio right here. So I'll type in Patio Builder. And you can also edit the phone number. After doing that, you could tap on the second section and you could change the background image. You can also change the title and you can change the text. It's as easy as that. Just tap on the section you like to edit. Then you can go over to the right hand column and edit it. Or you can simply hover over it and tap on each section, then tap on Edit Text, and you can edit the text. If it is a case that you like to add text, image, or anything to a particular section, you can go over to the top left hand corner and tap on Add Elements, and you can view the different elements and you can drag and place them wherever you want on your website. To view all the pages on your website, you will tap on Home. Then from there, for example, if we were to change it to Services page, you can see the Services page right there. So that's how you will be able to change the pages. And then you can also tap on Quick Edit to edit the different services and to edit the text that is currently there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Publish in the top right hand corner and your website will now be live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.